Fung, your case is not that this injury wasn't caused to Emma. It's not even, as it could be, that this is a storm in an eyelash teacup. What you say is, I've never seen this woman before in my entire life. Correct?
Yes, until I come to her house.
Until you went over to her house. You'd never seen her before. As far as you're concerned, you demonstrably, let me put that in another way, you absolutely refute, disagree, make clear that she has never been into your business ever.
Never, ever.
And
never
that
complained.
And that this was done by somebody else, correct?
Yes.
Not an employee of yours.
No.
And this lady has come to court today purely to blackmail you.
Yeah.
You describe the person who performed this procedure on you. Can you describe this person again, please?
She had long, I'd say it's like the colour of my hair, it's like a yellowy blondie colour.
How old was she roughly?
Like I say, you can only see the eyes, so you can't tell. I'd say she was about 18, 19.
You have a witness today in court, correct?
Yes, I have.
What's this witness's name, please?
Yo-Yo.
Yo-Yo. Was Yo-Yo working for you at the time this alleged procedure took place? Yo-Yo. The reality here is this, that so long as people, when they come to my court, tell me the truth, there's never a problem, because issues can be resolved and I can come to a legal determination. Do you understand? And people sometimes, when they tell me the truth, don't win their cases. Doesn't necessarily mean that they're bad people. It just means the law isn't necessarily on their side. Do you understand? Do you recognise that lady over there?
No.
When you say no, do you mean no or do you mean I don't remember?
I don't remember because it's been so long.
Could it be the case that you do so many eyelashes that this lady did come in to the business, that you did do her eyelashes, but you simply can't remember? Is that possible?
Maybe.
Is it possible? Yes. Thank you. Do you mind turning to face on to Emma? Do you recognise her?
Yeah. Her face looks familiar.
Sometimes, if somebody comes into the business, you don't always keep a record, correct?
Yeah.
You've always denied that this lady has ever been into your shop. Despite that, you ended up going round to Emma's house. What did you do when you went over to Emma's home?
I go and see because I believe she tell online, but I didn't want to go there to argue with her.
Why would you go to somebody's home? Why bother? Just pause. Bearing in mind, your claim is, I've never met this person in my whole life. I don't know who she is. She's a crazy lady who's trying to blackmail me. Why would you go over to her home?
Because I just have a baby at the time, and because all this letter come through my doorstep, and I were pregnant when the first state some letter come through, and I go running around to ask for legal advice. And on the solicitor who I asked, they won't take the case on because they said she claimed for £3,000 of damaging her eyelashes.
For more Judge Rinder cases, click here. And if you've got a legal issue yourself, get in touch with us by clicking over here.